So hello YouTube, it's me Yogesh over here. Today I am here with some new audio setup and we have some good guys from Pune. आज का वीडियो मैं हिंदी में बना रहा हूँ ताकि महाराष्ट्र और इंडिया के लोगों को पता चले कि महाराष्ट्र में भी अच्छा सेटअप हम कम दाम में बना सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ श्रेयांश फ्रॉम बेस एफएक्स एंड दिस इज़ सुमित. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. इस गाड़ी में Android head unit है which is gonna get upgraded into Pioneer. Okay, but still the sound quality is pretty okay. These are Kicker CX components with tweeters. Okay, and in rear we have coaxials. All are powered by this Bass FX amplifier. This is their own production. The manufacturing industry is based in Goa, but they deal all over India. Let me show you close view. So amp is not in hot right now. I'm pretty happy with the quality of amp. Now let me show you the specialty. So this is their enclosure. You might have seen this kind of enclosure in Pro Audio, and they deal in Pro Audio also. That's why the quality of this enclosure is very good. This has 12-inch sub inside and it's 300 watt RMS. You can see the port, the curvature of port is also good for the free airflow. Just by aesthetics, most of the guys out there will get impressed. You just have to connect the wiring and it's ready to go. It's not active, it's passive. So they have Kicker 300.1 monoblock under seat. Now let me give you a demo of this thing. I'll play this NCS track from my channel itself. No rattling. Happening with just 300 watt RMS subwoofer. Okay guys, गाइस, यहाँ पर मोटिव ये था कि अगर आपको अच्छी सिस्टम लगानी है तो 5-10 लाख खर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। इन्होंने अच्छे से दिमाग लगा के ये सेटअप बनाया है। देयर इज़ नो DSP इनसाइड, ओके गाइस। दिस इज़ डायरेक्टली वर्किंग फ्रॉम द 4 channel एम्पलीफायर एंड दिस एम्पलीफायर इज़ ऑफ देयर ओन ब्रांड, okay, Bass FX manufacturer. There are kicker components, these are also entry level components, not the high end one. So आपको जेब ज़्यादा खाली करनी नहीं पड़ेगी। ये इस टाइप का सबवूफर है जिसमें आपको हेडेक नहीं होगा। इवन साउंड क्वालिटी लवर्स विल लव इट। और आप जानते हो 4th ऑर्डर बैंड पास इज़ फॉर SPL ऑल्सो। एंड इसके एस्थेटिक्स देख के आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगेगा कि ये इंडियन ब्रांड है। तो I request you guys to promote this brand and have a look of their website, and as they have good experience in pro audio, so you won't get disappointed. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, live loud.